boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I'm playing one of Taylor Swift's new song from new album. It's called Opalite. I think it's the third track or so from the Showgirl album. A great song, fits guitar very well. And by the way, in her song, she sings even about onyx, and that is a reddish stone or so. Therefore, I choose to play on my guitar this reddish guitar from Anchor Guitars. If you would like to have one of these, then use my coupon code GORINGUitar10 to get 10% off. A great deal from even like a cheap price from the beginning. Even 10% off makes it absolutely no-brainer when it comes to buying new guitars. So Anchor Guitars, great guitars. I have this one and many others, different sizes. So check them out, GORINGUitar10. Now let's go into this tutorial. Taylor Swift's Opalites. It's very simple, guys. No need for any capo here. We have 5 different chords to handle and one simple strumming pattern. Let's go for it and start with the chords. We have the C major 7. We're gonna start with that, and it goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord is D. That will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We also got the E minor. That goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. We have the G. That will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. And finally we have the A minor. And that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so let's start with the strumming pattern. If you have the first chord, the C major 7 ready, grab that one, and one string around will be down, up, down, up. And that's it. So like this. Okay, I tried to get the second down there a little bit emphasized. So that means I play on the bass strings, bass mid area for all the other actions, the down, up in the beginning. But then when I come to the second down, try to really get a clear kick on the higher strings there. And then on the way up, I'm going back to that bass area. So bass, bass, top bass, but with the down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And that way you get this certain kind of rhythm going on here. This is just some technical extras, so make sure you have that down, up, down, up from the beginning. You don't have to think about where to play, but once you have that built in kind of, then you can go and try to get that extra kick on that second down. So like this. Alright, I think that makes sense. Now let's go into the actual song, the verse play. You're gonna play the first 3 rounds, like C major 7, 3 string rounds, and then D, 1 string round. So you go with that for 3 times. So C major 3, D1, C major 3, D1, C major 3, D1. And then on the 4th round, you play E minor 2 and D2. That's the 4th round. Consider all these 4 rounds as one big corporation. You're gonna do it for 2 times, okay? So C major 3, D1 for 3 times, and then E minor 2, D2 for 1. That's the 4th round, and then you play all that again. I'm gonna give you 1 round of that C major 7 3 times and D1, and then I go into the E minor 2 and D2. It goes like this. 2, 3, D, then E minor, 2, and D, 2. Okay? That is how I handle the verse. Now let's go into the first pre-chorus, and what you're gonna do here is to play another round of that C major 3, D1 for 3 rounds, and then E minor 2 and then D2 for 1 round. So if you just compare it to the verse, it's just half as long as the verse. You play that for the pre-chorus. That starts about 38 seconds in. Now we're gonna hit this chorus play at 54 seconds in, I believe. It's all right. That's where we're on the lyrics. Now you're gonna play G, 4 string rounds, then E minor 4, then A minor 4, and D4. That is one chord progression round. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. Let's go 1 round together. So G, E minor, A minor, D, 4 strumming rounds per chord, like this. 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4. Again. So that is the chorus play. Now into the second round, and it's pretty much just repetition. Second verse play exactly in the same way as the first one. The same goes with the second pre-chorus and even the second chorus. It's just repetition. Then comes the bridge part, about 2 minutes and 43 seconds in. And this is just a storm, I believe. That's where we're on the lyrics. What you're going to play here is the chorus play for 2 rounds. Okay, and the last chord, the D, you skip that one in the second round, and it's just a lyric part where she sings love, love, love. Okay, so that is in the last D, the second round in this chorus play, and you just skip that and have a big pause there. After that follows the final chorus. It's the third one. Guess what? Just repetition. 2 rounds of that G, E minor, A minor, D. And you have finished the song from Taylor Swift. It's called Opalite. Great song. Guitar friendly, obviously. So, yes, hope you enjoyed it, guys. Nice song from Taylor. And if you love her new songs from the new album, then make sure you'll be back here because we'll have a couple more uploads. So, see you soon, guys. Until next time, play tuned.